Guess what we got?
A FedEx package. Oh.
Guess what's inside?
Welcome to the family.
We got a van! It's getting shipped here from California.
This is the return.
Recognize the logo? We're so excited. So it's the next day. Funny thing happened yesterday with the contract, the first contract that we got for our van. They put my last name as Woody's last name. And yes, we're married, but I didn't change my last name because we went on a trip to Alaska and Canada, and I didn't think by the time my new passport would have come that I would have had it for that trip after our wedding, if that makes sense. Anyway, we got our new contract overnighted. We just sent the check in the mail, and now I'm gonna sign this contract and overnight it to the van dealership because we bought the van in California and we live in Utah, and so we've just been communicating via mail and phone, and they're actually going to deliver the van to us. We were really excited. We were going to fly out with our Sky Miles, but the timing, just because it's around the holidays, Thanksgiving is next week, it didn't really work out. So he gave us
3 times the amount it should be.
Yeah, it was a lot. It was 35,000 points per ticket versus if we were to do it December and Sunday, December 15th or something, it was like 10,000 points per ticket. So didn't want to do that. And so the dealer gave us a super low delivery fee. So we jumped on that, and we're going to set up a time for them to get the van delivered. It's going to be so exciting. And now we're signing the contract. Go ahead, babe. Sign away. So exciting. Tell me where I need to sign. Guess what today is? It's Van Day! And we are impatiently waiting the arrival of our new van. It is currently 1:51 p.m. on December 4th, right?
Yep.
Wednesday, December 4th. We're waiting for a van to come. It's getting delivered here on a truck from California. And what sucks is I have to go to my night job, and so I might not even be here when it comes, but we're so excited. Today will forever be known as Van Day. Huh, babe?
Yep.
Are you excited for Van Day?
Yeah, I'm real excited.
Yeah, what are you doing down there?
Trimming Drogo's nails.
You're trimming Drogo's nails. Good boy. He's okay. Are you excited for the van, Drogo?
Yeah.
Are you so excited? Good talk. Olive, what about you? Are you so excited for the van? Oh, you are, huh? You're so excited. Yeah. There's our van. Guys,
Look what came today.
So Woody had to take Chris to work, his oldest son, and so I haven't gotten inside yet, even though it was really hard not to, because I was waiting for him. So now we're gonna look inside. Wow, so modern. Camera inception. It's a nice backup camera. I'm glad we don't have to install one. Ooh, this is so exciting. Babe, are you excited?
Yes, I am excited. Just making sure we're good on gas.
It's so roomy in here. I'm gonna struggle trying to figure out how to put the seat back, but it's just like a dial. Drogo would fit right there when we're driving. Drogo's our Great Dane, if you didn't know. Aw, that's cute. A little.
Cute little 144.
Cute little 144 Amazon Prime van. And then we got this big old beast. Okay, so I really want to name the van Ollivander because I'm a big Harry Potter fan, but Woody isn't for it. He doesn't think it's catchy enough. What do you guys think? What do you think? What do you want to name it?
I don't know.
Mercedes.
How may I help you?
How much gas do I have left?
You can still drive 461 miles.
What? Technology. So we just found the odometer. What does it say, babe?
21.4 miles.
That's
There's a what?
a hidey hole. I think it's
Okay.
actually the fuse box. Extra much. Figuring out the mirrors. They're a little small.
Yeah.
It's fine.
I'd like to get some aftermarket ones eventually.
This is so exciting and scary. I've never driven a vehicle this long. Oh, there's the curb. That's why we have 4x4. I don't know how
So,
someone would drive this without it. This is so cool!
What?
This is so cool!
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights.
Hey, they're in front of our house. Well, this is awkward.
Let's get some sir.
So, sir, we need to get in our driveway. What's
Hi.
he doing? This is the inside. So the dealer was supposed to take off these wall panels and that divider, but they didn't. So not sure what to do about that. But look how big and roomy it is. Hold my hand. Ugh, that is a step. Look how far down he is. This is so cool though. Oh my gosh, we are unbelievably excited. This is gonna be so fun. It's gonna be a lot of work, but once it's done, this is gonna be so cool. Well, it's a couple days later, and we realized that we didn't make an outro for when we bought a van. So if you like our content, please follow us on Instagram at Encompass.Adventure. Like this video.
And subscribe to our channel.
And subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my